So if you wanted to make money from home because you no longer like your job and you want to get out of your job, here are my favorite ways to make money online. Affiliate marketing. Anyone can become I think almost anyone. You have to get approved by the brand, obviously, but you could become an Amazon affiliate marketer. Look up the Amazon Associates program. You can become an affiliate with programs that are like I think it's called Shopper Media. Also, ShareASale, Commission Junction, those are all places where you can sign up and then you can promote brands that you enjoy promoting. You apply to their programs. If you need more help with that, let me know. I'll try to help guide you. The other thing is Etsy. A lot of people have crafty sides and they sell their stuff on Etsy. You can sell digital products or actual handheld products. If you need some help on printables and digital products, reach out to me. I can help you. And then, of course, my industry, which is freelance writer industry. So I hope this helped you find some ideas.